This is the final tutorial on the Similar But Different website. So let's check where we are. We've created and edited a CSS. We've created a Dreamweaver template page that was in the last tutorial, which is saved. And you can see on the right hand side that it's saved, and Dreamweaver saves it actually in the templates folder. And the template's sitting in front of us. It's got an editable region, which means any page, any actual HTML page I base on this template, it allows me to just edit this side. I can't change the left hand side, which I don't want to change, or any of the CSS styles, because I've changed those and they should be the same for each page. I notice actually that the CSS is not saved, so I'm just going to save everything, and now I'm going to just create the actual HTML pages for the website. If I go back to the Similar But Different, it says create a child page, so a page based on this template. So let's do that. It's going to be the home page of the website. So I do File, New, this time Page from Template, and you notice it shows me the template I've saved. It looks in the templates folder of the site and finds any of the templates and it's showing it. So I'll just say create. Now this page, this gets a bit confusing. It looks exactly the same as the template, but it's actually going to be a HTML page, an actual web page we display in a browser. And what I need to do is just change the content. So let's do that quickly. I can see that the top header should be welcome to the world of mayhem. Sorry about the little catchy phrases there. Welcome to the world of mayhem. And the content of the page has already been given in the Similar But Different. So I go back to the top and I look at the scenario. It says the home page should have title, welcome to the world of mayhem, subtitle, latest gig review, and a suitable image of a band. So I should have a subtitle underneath all this. Subtitles are going to be H2, if I can get my cursor in the right place. So the main title for the page is H1. This is going to be gig review. It's an HTML. It's got H2 page. If I highlight the text, which I want to make H2, if I click down in the properties at the bottom, click on the HTML tab and press H2, that becomes a H2 heading. Let's just get rid of that, and let's get the rest of the text that's given to us in the Similar But Different. This is the main text. I'll just copy and paste that straight into the Dreamweaver page. Last thing I need to do is put in an image. It doesn't say where. I'm just going to put an image of a band which I've got earlier. Band skin, band cover. I just drag it to where you want to put it. I want to put it back there. Comes up with this prompt. I'm just going to call it band. Maybe resize it a little. And basically I've got a web page. Final thing I need to do is save it. So if I do File, Save, now the very first page, the home page in every website, should be called Index. It's a convention on websites, and it should be saved in the root folder. It's different. Every other HTML page should be saved in the HTML folder. This one is in the root of the website. It's called index.html, so I just save it. And if I want to check it out, I can just go into the browser and actually have a look at it, and it'll show me that in the browser. While that's loading up, you've got to create two more pages. It works in exactly the same style. So you do File, New, Page from Template, and then put your content in. So that is the end of the tutorial, and the last thing you really need to be told on how to do the Similar But Different.